Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. Today we're going to be opening the Geek Gear Wizardry box for July of 2019. I am a little bit behind. I just did the June unboxing. I do get these 1 month later than usual because they have to ship to the US. So I usually get the previous month around the first of the month. So yeah, this one is July of 2019, and I also have the Geek Gear Wizardry wand as well to open. So let's go ahead and just do the wand first, because that is one of my favorite things to do is collect wands. So here we go. It always comes in this nice box. The only thing is when they packaged it this time, there was no bubble wrap around it. It was just sent in a plastic bag, and so it's a little bit bent and banged up. So that's a bit of a disappointment, but here we go. They always come with this card which tells you what the wand is, all the information about the wand. This one is called the Nox Kalo wand. Doesn't that sound kind of like a Star Wars name? Nox Kalo? Anyways, the length is 13.5 inches. It has a werewolf fang core, and the wood type is mahogany. So next, let's take a look at the wand itself. So far I really like this one. This one's actually really cool. The one that I opened in June, I thought was my favorite, and then I opened their Wizardry Box, and it had another wand in it that I said was my favorite. And man, I feel like this one might be my favorite, or at least like a runner-up. It almost looks like a broom. This is so cool. It's almost like Luna's wand. It has a star and a moon hanging from a chain, like two little like charms hanging from chains right here. That's so cool. This one is awesome. I really do like it. And like I said, it really reminds me of Luna's wand. It is slightly warped, but it's barely noticeable. And I think it's because my box got a little bit bent in the mail. But regardless, this is a really cool wand, and I feel like these Wizardry wands just keep getting better every month that I get one. So yeah, these are really cool. Anyways, let's put this one back in the box and get the Wizardry box opened up. They just had one in the June box, so if there's another wand in this box, I am going to be so happy. But this is the July box, so let's open it up. And immediately I see a t-shirt covered in little wiggly worms. Let's see what this t-shirt has on it. I'll let you guys see first. There we go. Oh, yeah, that's neat. It's okay. It has a stag on it and owls, and like the stag's antlers are like trees. It's a pretty cool design. Yeah, nothing too amazing, but it's a pretty cool design. So there's the t-shirt. Whoa, what do we have here? This is a little Magical Treats Lollipop. It definitely looks like something that would be coming from Honeydukes. Like 100% this is Honeydukes. You could like replace this sticker with a Honeyduke sticker, and this could be like decoration or something. This is really cool. I like this. I will not be eating it just because I like the way it looks and I want to see how long it lasts as a decoration. But, oh, this is interesting. It says, may have an adverse effect on activity and attention in children. Probably because of the sugar content in this, but you know, let's see. Oh my God, 77.4 grams of sugar. That's like insanity. That's like 2 days worth of sugar, or 3 days worth of sugar, I think. Like your daily intake. I think the daily suggested intake of sugar is what, like 20 grams or 30 grams, somewhere around there. But yeah, that's insanity. Next up, there is a box in here, a small white box. Sadly, it doesn't look like there's a wand, but what do we have in this little white box? It's very mysterious. Oh, okay, cool. So this was the hint from last month that said birthday, and we have a little happy birthday Harry cake. And it's just like a little plastic, or I think it's plastic, just a little decoration, and it says Happy Birthday Harry on it. This one's actually really cool. I think I'm gonna keep a hold of this. Some of this stuff I'll be putting in a giveaway box that I'm gonna be giving away on my channel. But yeah, let's see what else we have. Another little mysterious box, and it has horses and birds and stars and hearts and circles on it, all in different colors. I wonder what it could mean. Let's see. Oh, cool. It's like, it's Luna's. Okay, so that pattern is supposed to be like Luna's clothes. And then we have the cork necklace right here. Nice. Awesome. I like it. So the box pattern looks like this. And then we have the necklace, which is just a blue necklace with a cork on the end. Very cool stuff if you are a Luna fan. So yeah, this will be perfect to keep the Nargles away, for sure. Let's see what else we have. I think there's only 2 items left. There is the tea and the print. So we have Wolf's Bane tea. I like that. Moroccan mint. That sounds really good. So here is the Wolf's Bane tea. I will also smell this to see. Whoa, that's very strong. Wow, yes. And it definitely is mint, for sure. Cool. And then next, all we have left is the print and, of course, the cheat sheet. But let's take a look at the print first. Oh, and the scratch card. Here we go. So this one is until the very end, and it has the trio's wands with a heart with a lightning bolt. So there you go. That is the print. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and scratch this off and see if I got anything. It says, no win, better luck next time. Wah, wah. All right, so let's take a look at the cheat sheet and see if there is anything that I missed. Nope, everything is pretty straightforward in this box this month. Next month's hint is house related. So it has all the different house emblems here. So we'll see what that is next month. Now, if I had to pick 2 items that are my favorite from this month's box, I would say definitely the cork necklace, I think, is gonna be number 1. And then number 2 is the Happy Birthday Harry cake. These are my 2 favorites. Let me know what your favorites were in the comment section below. And if you do enjoy my videos, I do a lot of Harry Potter unboxings as well as Harry Potter DIY projects, and they're always designed by me. So some of them are original designs, some of them are replications from like Mina Lima designs and other things that you see in the movie. So yeah, if you're interested in that, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.